This is Shan. I handle Ramco's human capital management product. As human capital managers around the globe, you would be interested in maintaining business continuity, keeping trained people in the organization for burgeoning opportunities and handling them. You would be interested in optimizing costs, and last but not the least, aligning the work that employees do to the business goals of the organization. So having three profound targets in front of you, and knowing that staffing today is a combination of the staff that you already carry in the organization by way of regular employment, bringing in contingent employees when contingencies actually occur, or staffing through contracting as and when it becomes necessary. You are looking at a completely new ballgame for HR, a class of HR that actually exists for the opportunity and the class of staffing that it applies, and of course the grades of jobs that are to be performed. So this is the kind of challenge that you have in front of you, and what we have to offer for you to enable this challenge, enable you to handle this challenge is Ramco HCM. Having been implemented for more than 200 customers around the globe in 36 different countries, it comes with a lot of experience in being able to handle situations, creating the necessary enablement and the automation that delivers return on investment. So what kind of features does it carry? It's an end-to-end talent management solution. It's also a complete payroll solution, completely integrated in one box. And it carries a lot of horizontals, capabilities to report, analytics, workflow, anything that you might want to imagine. It can even network with social networking sites, etc., that bring together a complete usage experience. The solution is focused on enhancing the user experience. So if you happen to be a manager, use the manager self-service and the workspace is designed for the same, to be able to take your decisions on day-to-day operational issues. If you're an employee, use the self-service once again to be able to communicate your life events, the work that you do, etc., to the organization through the self-service portals that we have designed for you. And we recognize the fact that the world contains a mobile global workforce today. So which means that mobility as well as being able to connect with the system from wherever you are becomes very important. So you can use your mobile phones, pads, etc. to connect into the system and do whatever it is that you have to do. And apart from this, we also offer what's called as in-memory payroll. Right? For large headcounts payroll processing, you'll find that in-memory payroll goes a long way in busting the cycle time necessary to process payroll. And then the application is context sensitive and self-aware, in as much it knows who is logging into this application, and it also knows how to handle incoming requests, either by way of exception or by way of regular process. So why should you be at this event in Orlando in Florida? Well, it's important for you to come there and understand how our solution can actually work for you, help you optimize your workforce costs as well as create the necessary alignment, and be able to work on a global workforce very efficiently. So we have demos waiting for you. We have customer collaterals waiting for you. You should be able to understand how our customers have used it in the past. You have our people to speak with experience. Our consultants will be there to answer any questions that you might have. And you will be able to benefit from this experience. So do join us at Florida, and we look forward to meeting you there. Thank you.